Founded in 1989, Laswim is a leading manufacturer based in China, servicing the global swimming pool, spa, and water environment industries. Based on our corporate philosophy of water wisdom, comfort at home, Laswim takes creating a healthy, comfortable, and eco-friendly water environment for customers as its corporate mission. Laswim has created a full range of swimming pool and water environment product lines after more than 30 years of development, including salt chlorinators, underwater lights, filters, Smart Clean Pre-Coat Micron Filtration System, pool pumps, HV2 Intelligent Variable Speed Pump, heat pumps, disinfection equipments, counter-current swim machines, life support system equipments, and pool fittings. Laswim has accumulated a total of 75 inventions and patents and has established the Product Research and Development Center, which led by a senior technical team dedicated to independent research and development and manufacturing to ensure that our products always maintain an industry-leading position. Multiple products are certified with CEIP 68, TUV, and other certifications. Laswim provides customers with a professional, reliable, and efficient experience. The production site covers over 90,000 square meters in Zhongshan, Guangzhou, and Taishan. Laswim provides customized production solutions by using advanced technology and large-scale production lines. Advanced technology and expertise are used in each production process, including automation, modular manufacturing, precision machining, and real-time production control to ensure high efficiency and accurate production processes. The company has formulated standard production processes. We strictly follow the production process instructions and implement a strict inspection system to ensure and safeguard the better quality of the products. Laswim is committed to manufacturing and quality management by the international ISO 9001 system and is equipped with a testing center and professional laboratory. From raw material inspection, production process inspection, to finished product quality inspection, a detailed operating instruction book has been formulated to correctly standardize operating steps, parameter settings, inspection standards, etc., which clarify product inspection and testing requirements and continuously optimize inspection processes. Thus, implement a high standard quality management system to ensure excellent product quality. With a full range of product line, Laswim's products are widely used around the world, forming a strong global marketing network and service system. Laswim is customer-centric and continuously improves customer value, defining all customers and users as close partners to build a smart water environment ecosystem and create a sustainable water environment future.